Today, I'm going to make pear-cranberry chutney. A great chutney combines sweet fruit, tangy vinegar, and warm spices. It's bold but balanced. Let's start with the pears. You can use Bartlett or Anjou. Choose pears that are just ripe and not too soft. Have the pear, core it, and cut it into 1/4-inch pieces. A single minced shallot makes the chutney savory, but we don't want it crunchy. So we're going to soften it by adding it to a pot with water and a little salt. Cover and cook for around 3 minutes. Let's add minced garlic cloves, ground coriander, pepper, and ground allspice. Cook it till it's fragrant about a minute. We're blooming the spices to release their flavor. Time to add the pears and sugar and more water. Stirring it every once in a while, but don't overcook the fruit. Cover this for about 15 minutes. Stir in cranberries and white wine vinegar. Acidity is the key to a great chutney. Increase the heat and simmer uncovered until the cranberries burst and the chutney is thickened. Be sure to adjust the seasoning. I'm adding some pepper and a little bit of sugar. Let the chutney cool and then refrigerate. This sweet and savory chutney is ready to serve.
Thanks for watching Cook's Country from America's Test Kitchen. So what'd you think?
Leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or just say hi.
Now you can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
Alligator.